Peppered steak with boiled green bananas. Okay, I'm going to show you how to prepare ripe plantain for frying. This is ripe plantain. So just like a banana, you just do like that and remove the skin. So make slices. Slice ripe plantain. Put to eat a frying pan. Flame 8. Add quarter cup of coconut oil or any oil. Quarter cup. Now after 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes, when you start to see some little smokes, just let it stay like that for about 2 minutes. So you notice it starts to get brown around the edges. It's been about a minute and a half. So now you gotta wait for it to brown. And do this. You can flip it now. So when you notice it starts to, you can remove the ones that are ready. Peppered steak with boiled green bananas.